Hey, welcome back to my channel. PAC RP4 CH11 Radiopro4 Stereo Replacement Interface. The innovative new Radiopro4 RP4 CH11 radio replacement interface comes preloaded with amplifier retention and steering wheel control software, navigation-based output signals and other features that save time and money during installation. Navigation-ready, data-controlled accessory and navigation outputs. Built-in pre-programmed steering wheel control retention. Retains factory amplifier. Provides factory RSE activation. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.